You know that your day at work is gonna stink when the weather looks like this. When you get a text message from your boss that says, watch weather, take immediate cover if bad weather is observed. Yay!
We're with John Askins, who's standing by to give us all the latest. John.
We have a new tornado warning. This will be in effect until 3:15 this afternoon. This tornado warning. Radar is indicating a thunderstorm that could produce a tornado. The Hamilton area moving off to the northeast at 55 miles an hour. And this warning is for people in Pine Mountain, Callaway Gardens area, up through Warm Springs, Manchester, Greenville, Gay area, Zebulon, Williamson. If you're in any of those cities or any place in between, you are under a tornado warning until 3:15 this afternoon. A warning, of course, means that severe, possibly damaging winds are imminent in your area, and the time to take shelter is right now. Also, severe thunderstorm warnings continue every place in the metro from Gainesville northeast to from Peachtree City, northeast to Gainesville. Those in effect until 3:15, and we're all under tornado watch until late this evening. I'm John Askins, live in the news there.
Local school districts, of course, are on alert because of the severe weather.
Well, my shift starts in about 3 minutes. I just got a phone call from the principal stating that they may hold the kids from riding the bus or leaving the school because of the bad weather. However, the school that I'm working at is letting the parents loose. We've got some wind gusts, they said to be 45 miles an hour, and possibly in the mountains where I'm at, they're going to be up to 70 miles an hour. We just got a call from the principal stating that they're not going to let the kids out of school or ride on the bus, so traffic is going to be delayed today due to these conditions, and it is getting worse at the moment. Well, here I go. I'm ready. I love my job though. Now it's raining really good. And there's a 45-minute delay. Am I supposed to stand out here? Oh, brother. Mother. Nature.